Now is available at McCarthycars, Freelander 2, 61 plate 2011, metallic grey. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights, car has front parking sensor, 17-inch alloy wheels, privacy rear glass, car has rear parking sensor, split folding rear seats, Alcantara and leather seats. It's got sides and front airbags, ISOFIX child seat preparation, for electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, Alpine premium sound system, front auto headlights, full electric seats, car has satellite navigation, touch screen, it's got CD, Bluetooth, aux connection, 2-zone air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive mode, 2 central cup holders, aux connection, push button to start, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, thank you for watching.